Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. Viewers, Tigray forces gain more ground. Tigray defense forces took control of the towns of Tenta and Jebra in the Debab zone of the Amhara region. Similarly, they have taken control of the Afari town of Kasagita. Tigray defense forces are now advancing towards Verulu and Mile. The Tigrayan army is advancing on Burina and Virila, capturing the town of Tanta and Jabar. The capital of Varhimonu, on the other hand, our army took control of the town of Kasagita in the Afar region. Tigray forces say they have taken control of Kasagita town in Afar region. They said also they had captured the town of Tenta and Ajbar in the Amhara region and said they would move on too. The Tigrayan army is advancing on Burina and Urilo, capturing the town of Tenta and Ajbar. The capital of Varhimu, on the other hand, Tigray army took control of the town of Kasigta in the Afar region. And viewers, tonight hundreds of Tigrayan men and women, construction workers, at the Nile River Dam are detained and taken to Bahirdar direction, escorted by Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces. No one knows their whereabouts. The defeat that Tigray forces received today in Afar will go down in their history. Four fronts opened same time, the Safra front. 6 suicide batches were completely eliminated and no one escaped from it. And the whole on Shafra was liberated. From Patti side, they opened 3 fronts. In the morning, they took control of an army camp in Barka and it was recaptured. On the other hand, hundreds of Tigrayans detained in Ethiopian capital. Police are going house to house, unlawfully detaining Tigrayans in districts where many Tigrayans live. Yesterday, they rounded up and detained Tigrayans in the districts of Hayahult, Semit, and Bulbula. The United States has warned Tigrayan soldiers against advancing on Ethiopia capital as residents were told to arm themselves preparation for battle. The Tigrayan People Liberation Front have reportedly seized two key cities on a major highway to Addis Ababa, sparking panic in the city which has so far been spared in the brutal year-long war. On Tuesday, officials ordered the 5M residents any weapon they could and be ready to defend their neighborhoods. All residents must be organized by blocks and neighborhoods to protect peace and security in their home area in coordination with security forces, said Kenya Yadita, chief of the City Peace and Security Administration Bureau. Abiy Ahmed, Ethiopia Nobel Peace Prize winning president last year, sent the federal army into Tigray in a bid to crush the powerful regional government, which was ruled the whole of the country for much of the past 3 decades. And viewers, according to the sources, the Ethiopian army launched an air raid on the city of Adi Hagar, which is located in the north of Tigray near the Eritrean border. Ethiopia conducts another airstrike in Tigray. It is being reported that Ethiopia has carried out airstrikes in Adi Hegre, a town close to the Eritrean border. And it was as per reports, Western governments, Russia and China, have proposed to President Abiy to resign. leave the country and not fight in Addis Ababa. Abiy asked to be given some time to think about it, and it was expected that he would accept the idea. The international media started talking about the situation in Ethiopia after Abiy and how to restore stability in the region. So viewers, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.